We're going to learn how to make 3D paper snowflakes today. So we're going to start with square pieces of paper. You need 6 to 8 of them to start. And if you want, you can have colored pieces of paper or ones with designs or just plain white. It's up to you. You're going to fold them into triangles, and then you're going to cut diagonal slits on each side of that triangle. So I'm doing 3 slits on each side. You could do more, but you need to have even amounts on both sides. And you're not going to cut them in the middle, so they're going to stay attached. So you're just cutting 3 diagonals on one side, 3 on the other. All right, now we're going to start making it into 3D shape. So you're going to take the 2 middle slits, wrap them up, and put a piece of tape around them. Then flip it over, and you're going to do the same thing with the next layer out. Wrap it, and put a piece of tape in it. Then flip again, take the next layer out, loop it, tape it, and then flip it one more time. All right, we're going to tape our last layer, and that is how you create the tube, kind of 3D spiral tube. These look pretty cool on their own, but they're going to look even better when we attach them all together. All right, I'm going to show you that one more time. So you're going to take your square piece of paper, fold it in half in a triangle shape. Take your scissors, and you're going to cut 3 diagonal slits that are parallel to the edge of your triangle. Parallel means they're going in the same direction, kind of like the lines on the road. They're always following the same path. And then you're going to do 3 slits on the other side. They're going to be parallel with that side of the triangle. Okay, and you're going to open up your square. And you're going to take the 2 flaps in the middle, roll them up. You could roll them around a toilet paper tube or something round if that helps. Tape them, flip it, take the next layer out, roll it up, tape it, flip it again, take the next layer out, wrap it, tape it, flip it one last time. All right, so when you have 6 to 8 of these spiral shapes, you're going to start stapling them together. So you're going to just put all the tips together in the middle and staple them kind of like a flower. These are really big, so sometimes they're a little hard to manage. You might need another person to kind of help hold it down while you staple. And if you want, you can alternate colors like I did. I did gray, white, but it's up to you. And then once you have everything stapled in the middle, you want to just staple the sides together. So one staple is fine, just holding each petal in that snowflake together. See, they're a little hard to manage, but get someone else to hold it if you can't do it on your own while you staple. And just take your time. And then you have a beautiful 3D snowflake.